so cute. This is a giraffe. Giraffes are very tall and very gentle. This is a snake. It's friendly and gentle. This is a baby deer, so gentle and cute.
This is a lion. Lions are big and strong.
Tiger. This is a tiger. Tigers are strong and fast. This is an elephant. Elephants have big ears and a long trunk. Hi friends. Did you like this cute elephant? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.